Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good morning to our lecturer, Puan Mas ELYNA, and to our fellow friends, to whoever watching this video in YouTube. Today we are going to discuss about our object-oriented programming mini project, PGT 207. The title of our mini project is Pharmacy Inventory System. We created this system. We developed this system in NetBeans using Java programming language. There are 5 members in our group. Myself, MUZZAMMIR bin Muhammad KOYA from RY43, DIWYA DARSHAN from RY43 also, Saravana Dinesh, Mohamad IZWAN, and KHUWAILID, all of them from RY43 also. And here I will talk about the introduction part of the mini project. Thank you. To talk about the introduction. The system is designed for the particular need of the company to carry out operation in a smooth and effective manner. The system is reduced as much as possible to avoid error while entering the data. It also provides error message when, for example, when the staff enters invalid data. Next, no formal knowledge is needed for the user to use the system. Our method is to store the user input in array, and this program was developed in NetBeans using Java programming language.
Good morning everyone. My name is DIWYA DARSHAN PARAMESWARAN from RY43. So today I will be presenting about objectives of our mini project. So our first objective will be this new pharmacy management system is quite different from other pharmacy software. I can say so because we have used Java programming in our mini project, which we have been learning for the past 3 months in our syllabus. So I have found this coding is quite easy for us to implement in our mini project. So we have used this in our mini project. And our second point will be this pharmacy software has been built for staff's usage to avoid time-consuming manual process. Manual process is said so because before this, staffs have to use their manpower to collect the items and store it in a place in a warehouse. So they have to count the items manually. So by using our system, they can just key in the items in it and they can view whenever they want. So my third point will be our system is used to manage the information of the medicines. So in our programming, we have inserted around 10 medicines. So if the staff would like to view or add more medicines, they can just key in our program to view the list of medicines they have used. Or otherwise, they can add new name of medicines in our programming manually.
And very good morning. My name is Muhammad KHUWAILID from RY43. My presentation about activity diagram. Before you doing the activity diagram, we must know the scope and identity. Firstly, set the scope of the activity being a model, and secondly, identify the activity that connect them with the flow, and lastly, identify any decision that we must to doing the project. The meaning of the activity diagram. First, the meaning of the activity diagram, graphically representation of the workflow of state-wise activity and action, and we support for choice and iteration and accuracy. Secondly, intend that model book computational and organization for the process. Lastly, show the overall flow of control. Then can also include element that showing the flow of data between the activity through one of the more data for activity diagram. These are activity diagram that we use the mini project for the title. Firstly, we must start the circle shape for the starting, and we start the arrow for the start, and we load in the number for the user pharmacy, and they can view the product And after the review the product, we can create a purchase of the product. We have a list of product, and after create the purchase, we can enter the data and the name of product that we use for the enter the data. And after that, we have the finish for the session. We have to log up to make authorized process.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Muhammad ISHAMUDIN. Okey, sini saya nak terangkan berkenaan dengan use case diagram berkenaan dengan mini project kami. So, use case diagram kami ada info berkenaan dengan farmasi, boleh penambahan ubat, lepas tu boleh update pasal ubat, lepas tu boleh delete berkenaan ubat punya data, lepas tu boleh buat bill, boleh mencari maklumat berkenaan ubat dan boleh mendapatkan report berkenaan dengan ubat. So sini ada dua pengguna iaitu customer dan pharmacy manager. So customer boleh mendapatkan info daripada pharmacy, info berkenaan stok, info berkenaan jenis-jenis ubat yang ada, lepas tu harga ubat. Okay, so pharmacy manager dia boleh buat penambahan data ubat, dia boleh update mana bila barang sampai, stok ubat sampai, so dia boleh update dalam sistem. So penambahan ubat baru. So bila ada ubat jenis-jenis ubat yang baru pun manager boleh update dalam sistem juga. Dan bila mana ubat stok sudah habis, tak boleh buat apa, so boleh delete dalam sistem yang kita orang buat untuk mini project ni. So prepare bill. So prepare bill ni bermakna dalam sistem juga bila mana ada customer beli jenis-jenis ubat, jenis-jenis produk, so sistem akan menggunakan satu bil, harga, tarikh, lepas tu sekian. Search medicine. So sini kita tak perlu nak cari satu-satu, just tahu nama medicine, just tahu nama ubat tu, dan boleh search terus, dan dia akan appear dekat kita punya mini project lah. So get report berkenaan medicine. So report ni bermakna bila jenis-jenis ubat tu, kalau demam dia cakap ubat demam, kalau sakit dia bagi ubat sakit. Okay, itu kan. Terima kasih.
Good morning everyone, I'm Saravana Dinesh. I'm from RY43. My metric number is 171303374. I would like to thank PUAN Mas for giving us the opportunity to present our main project. Okay, from a part of our group, I would like to present about sequence. Sequence is a flow. It's a flow for starting to ending of our project. So I would like to share the sequence for you. Okay, from here, the sequence is for staff, which staff can count entry to our pharmacy immediately. So firstly, once they enter, they can log in. Once they log in success, they can go to three sequence, which is medicine management, stock management, and inventory management. So once they are clear with the login success, they also can go to medicine management. Okay, which they can edit the medicine, they can save or update the medicine systems. Which is, for example, we update a medicine for a name like alkaline. Okay, it's a medicine. Okay, they also can save the medicine. They also can put a price for medicine or can tell detailing about the medicine. Okay, nextly, we go to stock management. Okay, from the login success, they also can enter to the stock management, which is edit the stock management, and also they can save or update. They also can delete the stock. Okay, thirdly, they also can go to inventory management. Okay, inventory management is they also can edit the inventory, they can save the inventory or list or delete the inventory. So from here we know the sequence for our pharmacy inventory from starting to ending our process. Okay, thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and very good morning. I am known MUZZAMMIR bin Muhammad KOYA, metric number 17113022167 from RY43. As I mentioned earlier in this presentation, the title of the presentation is Pharmacy Inventory System, and we are going to elaborate about four diagrams in UML diagrams in this presentation, namely class diagram, use case diagram, activity diagram, and sequence diagram. Suppose you have a system. Before creating the classes, you must first understand the system. For example, what type of classes you want to create, what are the functions, how do they interact with each other. So in this place, we need UML diagram, which is the class diagram. UML diagrams like activity diagram and sequence diagram is just only show the sequence flow of the application. But however, class diagram is totally or a bit different from the other diagrams. The function of class diagram, it holds the responsibilities of the system. Okay, let us start by explaining this class diagram. Here we have three classes: product, purchase, and staff. The basic concept of class diagram is the product name, attributes, and operation. Since we are doing the pharmacy inventory system, in the product we will have name declared by string, and the product code also by string, and the type string, and how many quantity we have for each product. Since we are doing pharmacy inventory system, for example, the product we mentioned 10 products. I will tell you few: Vaseline, Cetaphil, paracetamol, and cool fever. So here another class, we can see the staff. We can see here we declared staff ID as string, the purchase ID as string, and the name as string. All here is the public. Public means it can be anywhere in the system and can be called anytime in the system or by anyone. Yes, here is another class, namely purchase. It is the attributes is choice and quantity declared by integer. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, now for the last part, I will be presenting our conclusion for the mini project. So our project is a simple yet satisfying project to manage the work of the staffs. Several user-friendly interfaces have been implemented in our mini project. This package shall prove to be a powerful package in satisfying all the requirements of the pharmacy and also fulfilling the requirements of our mini project. The objective of our mini project is to provide a better management system for the pharmacy and also for the staffs. So by using our application, we hope that it would be useful for the needy people to improve their work quality. That's all for today. Thank you.